Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create fire hand effect in CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here as you can see I have prepared my video. And if we want to create fire hand effect, we can overlay this video with the fire video. You can go to overlay and tap on add overlay, and you have to import or add a fire video like this. I have downloaded this fire video from the internet. You just need to search for the fire black screen, and after you have downloaded this kind of video, you just need to import it to your project. Okay, and now the fire video has been added to my CapCut project, and I'm going to adjust the position. I'm going to drag it right here, and we're going to blend the videos, guys. We can click on this option to blend the videos, and we have to choose the lighten. Okay, and we can adjust the position. I'm going to put this fire on my hand, and if you want to make the fire follow your hand or follow your hand movement, you just need to use the keyframe button. This is the keyframe button, guys, and I'm going to use it for the start position. I'm going to place this fire hand effect right here, then click on the keyframe, and you just need to adjust one by one like this. Okay, you can make it as natural as it can be. Oops, and I think it's done, and I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can create fire hand effect in CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.